Assalamu alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Welcome to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's cooking class, we are going to be learning how to clean and cook this cow hair. Cow hair is one pieces and additional one hair. All in total is 5 kg. So let's begin. Bismillah. I've finished making my tea, so I'll be sipping it while I clean this. Bismillah. So I'll put it there, and we start the cleaning. Bismillah. I've got my cleaning sponge ready. It's as if you are bathing the hair. You are giving the cow a wash. After cleaning the former one by one, almost then next is to clean it all together under running water. Yes, after you clean the nose one by one with sponge, then you rinse it out in the water. You can see how clean the hair looks now. So next time I buy this, you are going to be the one to clean it. Do you understand? You people are going to clean it. I'm not going to sit down cleaning this. You know the condition of my head. That's why I'm teaching you how to do this. Another thing is that we don't have onion in the house. I just discovered that we don't have onion, and I asked one of the family to buy onion, and this is what they come up with. All the shop has closed because it's Sunday, and they end up buying spawn onion for 35p. Yes. You add a lot of salt to this to pre-boil it. The reason why you're using a lot of salt is because the water will absorb most of the salt, and you are just using it to rinse it. It's like using salt to rinse the pomo. I think I'll stick to calling it the pomo for now. While the pomo is pre-boiling, I'm prepping some ginger that I'll be using. I'm using ginger. Let's see whether this pomo can be of any use. Anyway, I still wanted to get some. Clean some scotch bonnet. I'm using like 4. And I'll clean the ginger. I don't need to remove the skin. So just clean it. I finished cleaning the ginger, and I have little garlic. Add 15 cubes and 3 for each kg. Use lots of mixed herb, like 2 tablespoons of mixed herb and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. You see, once the bubble is up like this, that's when you hold it. You can see all these dirty bits on top. Then you rinse it again before you now season it. So I'm going to pour the hot water away now and rinse it again. Always remember not to pour hot water directly to the sink. So I'm going to put water. Anyway, once you have all the seasoning to the spice, the seasoning and the spice and waters to this. You just blend. Anyway, I think this is okay. I will just add it to the seasoning. Let me add some water to it. After mixing it, you cover it and let it boil. Add more water to cover it up, but you don't need to add salt. While this is boiling, I'll get something to eat. I don't think I can continue with this cooking because I'm getting tired. You can see that. If you can notice from my intonation that I'm talking little by little. So I'm going to hold this. I need to put the heat on for this. 3 days now since I left it on the countertop, on the cooker. So I'll finish boiling it today, inshallah. I feel much better today, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, like on the name. This is the end result of cooking the kpamo, the cow hair. I don't know why I just call it kpamo anyway, but it's been cooked. It's finished now.